All right, this is Bryant with Plugin Optimizer team, and I'm going to walk you through how to set up wildcard filters. So as you can see, we're in one of our test sites and we've got Plugin Optimizer installed, and I'm on the filters page. So what I'm going to do is walk you through different ways to set up wildcard filters. So the first thing that I've done is we've gone and grabbed some URLs here for our pages post type. And if you look, we'll come off of here, go to pages, and we've got this set up to paginate at 5 pages. And so if you look at the URL up here, we've got post type equals page. If we go to publish, it's going to be post status equals publish and post type equals page. If we go to draft, it's going to be post status equals draft and post type equals page. So we've grabbed quite a few of these URLs in order for us to look to see how we can use wildcards to keep us from having to put in all the URLs for the page post type into a filter. And what we've come up with here is if we use these two URLs with the wildcards, post type equals page asterisk and the post type equals or post status equals asterisk and post type equals page asterisk. These two will catch every one of the URLs in this post type filter. So let's go back to Plugin Optimizer. Let's go to Create Filter. We'll take and we'll call this Core Default Pages Catch-All. This is going to be an endpoint filter. We're going to go grab our URL and we're going to paste it in here. And you notice whenever you paste a URL in here, it automatically removes the beginning of the URL, so the URL is correct. We're going to hit plus so we can add an additional URL. We're going to copy our other URL and paste it in here. And now, most of the time, we'll just disable all, and then we'll go in and add back in what we need. So, in this, one of the things I'm going to show you is we are going to add back in Elementor, and we are going to add back in, let's do that for right now. Let's just add back in Elementor. So we're going to block all the rest of these. We're going to use the core category for this filter, and we're going to save the filter. Okay, after this filter is saved, we can now go, we'll open this in a new tab, and we can see that we have our page. There's no arrows on it that we see. We use Plugin Optimizer to go visit the unfiltered page. And when we go see the unfiltered page, we notice that our tags for WooCommerce are not here. So our cart page and our checkout page are not identified. You see that? So what we need to do is we need to go and fix the filter and add back in WooCommerce. We add in WooCommerce and saved it. Now we go back, and this is just part of your testing to make sure your filter is working correctly. Now we see that the page that is unfiltered, you see where it says disable PO equals yes. So this is an unfiltered page. You can see that there are 0 blocked plugins. 84 megabytes were used in loading this page. And then you look over here at this page and you see that 23 plugins are being blocked and that 55 megabytes are being used for this page. And you can see that this page looks exactly the same as this page without some menu items, which is fine. Okay, so now I want to click through some of these to make sure that the filter is catching all of the URLs in here. So we go to published, and we see that one filter is in use, the 23 plugins are being blocked. We go to draft, and same thing. Go to private, same thing. Okay, let's go back to all, and let's go to page 2. And you can see that the blocked plugins are still being blocked. The filter's working. And you have successfully created a filter using a wildcard. Right here. All right. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at pluginoptimizer.com, and you have a good day.